Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy ETFs on Charles Schwab. First, securely log into your Charles Schwab account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Trade tab, usually found at the top of the page. Click on this tab, and then select ETF from the drop-down menu or available options. This action will direct you to the ETF trading platform, ready for your next steps. Next, it is time to research and select an ETF that aligns with your investment goals. Charles Schwab offers a robust ETF screener. Use it to filter by criteria like asset class, sector, or region. Pay close attention to expense ratios, which can range from as low as 0.03% to over 1%. Also, review the ETF's historical performance and its underlying holdings to make an informed decision. Now, let us place your order. Once you have selected an ETF, enter its unique ticker symbol into the order entry box. Next, choose your order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order allows you to set a specific maximum purchase price. Finally, specify the exact number of shares you intend to buy, perhaps 10 or 100 shares. The final step is to review and confirm your trade. Before clicking Place Order, meticulously check all the details: the ETF ticker, order type, number of shares, and estimated cost. Ensure everything is accurate. Once satisfied, confirm the trade to execute your purchase. You will typically receive a confirmation message, and your new ETF holding should appear in your Charles Schwab portfolio within a few minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.